the last type of a selection, we have a multiple selection. Okay, what's the meaning of the multiple selection? It means you have a few choice. Okay, either three or more choice based on a condition. Okay, so single, you have a one conditions and one choice. Dual, you have a one condition and two choice. But for the multiple selection, maybe you have a few conditions and a few of a choice. Okay. How to write a problem analysis? Here we have a general format for the um, problem analysis for the multiple selections. Okay, we just write the process, determine output based on input. Okay, why just based on input, not a condition? Because in a multiple selection, we have a maybe a lot of a condition involved, more than one. So we just write based on the input. Okay, so we go to the example number one. Okay, identify problem analysis. Okay, let as usual, when you read the question or problem statement, you need to underline the keywords IPO. Okay, because when you know the right keywords for each problem statement, so you don't have difficult to identify the IPO. Okay, so when marks is greater or equal to 25. So marks here is the input. And this one is for the condition. Okay. Print A. So A is a choice number one for the output. So marks greater or equal to 65 is another condition. You see here, we have a two conditions. So print B, so is another output. As is mean otherwise, maksudnya not fulfill for the condition number one or number two, so print fail. Is mean fail is another output here. So you see output here we have a three input one. Okay, so how to write the problem analysis? Input, mark. Process, we have a three output, three message to print. So determine appropriate message based on mark. Okay. So what's the output? Output here is have a 3A or B or message fail. Let's look at the example number 2. Identify problem analysis. Okay, problem analysis is IPO. To accept a number from a user. So number here is a input. And to determine and display whether the number is positive. Positive is mean the first output, negative is a second output, and the zero is a third output here. So what the conditions? So conditions here for the positive number, okay, number greater than 0. Negative number less than 0. Okay, 0 is mean number equal to 0. Okay, so how to write the problem analysis? Input is number. Process determine appropriate message based on number. And output here we have a 3 message. Either you choose either one based on the conditions. So the output is positive or negative or 0 is mean. The program will print either one message based on the number that user key in. Okay. Example number 3. Okay. Identify the problem analysis. Okay, problem analysis here is a IPO. To determine a program that will assign based on the value of codes. Okay. So code is a input that user need to key in. Okay. Display the name of the program that will assign based on the following table. If the user key in number 1, the code will print multimedia. If the user key in code 2, the code will print networking. If user key in the code 3, so the code will print the robotic. Okay, so here we have a 3 message here: multimedia, networking, and robotic. Okay, so input here is code. The process is determine appropriate message based on code. What's the message? We have a 3 message here. Either one, okay, multimedia or networking or robotic. Okay, we go to the example number 4. Okay, table below shows the rate that used to calculate the delivery cost. Okay. Okay, delivery cost. Okay, based on distance code and weight. Okay. So here, okay, so input here is a code and weight. Weight here, maybe you can write just a kg. Okay. So code and kg. Process determine delivery cost here, delivery cost, or you can write just a cost based on code and kg. So output is a cost. That's all. Thank you.